Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to a new special phrase of the day episode from Linguamid. In each episode, I introduce one daily use phrase in both modern standard Arabic and also in Egyptian Arabic. Before I dive into today's phrase, don't forget to check my first comment and enroll for 100% free in my online course Egyptian Arabic 101. It's designed for complete beginner and aims to give you the foundation that you need in order to start learning the Egyptian Arabic dialect. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to share this video if you found it useful.
ما تجيب شطة لو سمحت، جيب لنا شطة وليمون الله يخليك.
الله يخليك to a male or الله يخليكي to a female means please, but with more politeness. And literally, الله يخليك or الله يخليكي means may Allah grant you long life. So it's a praying to Allah to give the person long life. So usually Egyptians use this expression if they want to emphasize more politeness in certain situations. In modern standard Arabic, we say أطال الله عمرك. So instead of الله يخليك, so we say أطال الله عمرك. أطال الله عمرك means I hope that Allah prolong your life. Okay, but it's very seldom to hear it in modern Arabic like this. Usually in Egyptian, saying Allah يخليك is very common compared to أطال الله عمرك أو عمرك in modern Arabic.
ما تجيب شطة لو سمحت، جيب لنا شطة وليمون الله يخليك.
Did you find the phrase easy? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the Egyptian Arabic 101 course. Enrollment in the comment section below.